Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix can't sign out on App Store. So first open the App Store and tap your profile icon in the top right. Now go to account settings. So to do that, click on your profile, scroll down and you will see sign out, then tap on that. Now if tapping sign out does nothing or doesn't work, here's how to fix it. So force close App Store, swipe up from the bottom of your screen. Find the App Store and swipe it up to close it. Then reopen the App Store, go back to account settings, scroll down, and try signing out again. Now, for the method two, what you can do is close the App Store and go to settings, scroll down to screen time, tap on it, go to content and privacy restrictions, go to allow changes to and tap on accounts, and set it to allow. Then try signing out again. Now for the method 3, sign out from Apple ID instead. So go back to settings, tap your name at the top, scroll down and tap on sign out, then tap on sign out but don't erase. This will also sign you out of the App Store. Now if that doesn't work, let's try the last method. So turn airplane mode on for 10 seconds. So to turn on airplane mode, swipe down from the top of your screen and tap on the airplane icon to enable airplane mode, just like that. So turn on for 10 seconds, then turn it off. Once you turn that off, restart your iPhone, then open the App Store again and try again. And that's basically it. One of these should fix the issue fast. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.